Holy cow, look at this. Welcome out to Road Atlanta. Oh, Vaughn goes wide. You can't ask for better weather, better vibes, and a better time than right here, right now. James the Machine Dean versus Vaughn Ginn Jr. comes in. Look at that, pulling that left tire up as Vaughn Ginn Jr. goes into the dirt. Here we go, the Manoa-Jones battle. Now Jones out front. Jeff Jones, that big drift energy, he is showing everybody that right now. Odie Bakshi's going against Mr. Dimitri Brutsky. Oh, Brutsky gets aggressive. Unfortunately, it bites back. James Machine Dean will lead Dylan the Dozer Hughes in the chase position. Whoa! Lifting that front tire once again. You can see how loose that suspension is. Dylan the Dozer Hughes is going to try to chase him down. From Charpentier, Chris the Force Forsberg. Oh, look at that. Oh, just knocking off that bumper. Here we go. Oh, Forrest. He applies the pressure. Look at Wang. The BCL, Big Country Labs Wang Gang sticking out of the smoke like a shark fin. RCP, Rome Charpentier coming down the hill. Padoodle, whoa, there we go, losing parts here. Oh, buddy, RCP goes rallycross. Oh my gosh. Get out, Odie, get out. Now it's Frederick Osbo versus Simon Olsen. Let's dance. Whoa, buddy. Little lack of angle, kind of rolling into it there, Jacob. Now coming up the hill in that first outside zone. Here comes Frederick Osbo. Some wavering, going to the first outside zone, getting into the second. There, Simon's like, all right, I'm gonna put it in there. So does, oh no! Olsen shuts it down! Olsen goes left! Olsen shuts it down! Congratulations to Frederick Osbo. He gets the victory. What a wild ride.